Is that heavy?
Actually, it's not.
Yeah, let me set this one down.
Okay.
Got it. What are we looking at?
This is the Aqua Genie 100 square foot cartridge filter and 1 horsepower pump combo. You want this for your above ground pool.
Why do they want it?
It's super compact design, lightweight, very affordable, comes with everything you need, and it's a cartridge filter. It's not a sand filter.
Time out. Let's talk about cartridge versus sand. Sand, you have to backwash. You've got to dump it out, replace it every few years. Cartridge, you literally pull this out, spray it down with the hose, and pop it right back in. Or what I would do, keep an extra one on hand and just rotate them every season. It's that easy. That's why you want it.
Super clean, super nice, super affordable.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. You want to watch more videos from us, don't you?
I do.
Who else makes pool stuff look good? I
mean,
mean,
me and you.
It's a above ground pool pump and a cartridge filter, which is truly awesome, but is it that awesome?
They've surely subscribed by now.
Have you, and liked too?
And like now.
Go see us on the next one. See ya.